What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. It is, what is it, Thursday morning already. Yeah, so obviously taking a look at this chart here looks a little bit different than yesterday. Yesterday's trading was poor, and I've gotten in this bad habit of just taking trades after the recording later in the day. So ended up taking some trades, over leveraged, blew the take profit trader account, which honestly was expected the way I was trading. So went ahead and, I really, quick chat. I really don't like trading in the eval. I try and pass them pretty quickly. Top step I have here now is a 2-day pass. So after I blew the account, I did the 1500 for day one, and then at Globex open I made the other 1500 and passed to get the express. We have the DLL, so it is impossible to blow the account in one day. Yeah, so that's why we're on a Top Step funded account now. Yeah, so let's go ahead, let's wait, let's try and take some good trades today. Nothing too crazy. Yeah, let's see what happens, and we'll see you guys on the first trade. All right, we've got about 15 seconds or so until a new 5-minute candle, 15-minute candle opens. Pushed over all-time highs here. Made a new high in this 5-minute. Looks like we're going to close within. Consolidating a little bit over the highs. I will take
order filled
a short here off this level as we retest it. Stop over the highs and see if we can get a pushback lower. Risking 250 per trade. It might just go. Looks like we broke the high there. Are they going to get continuation on this? Yeah, $1,000 DLL, so I have 4 strikeouts basically. I want to see this, a little bit of consolidation. Are they going to just continue it higher? Looks like I'm going to get stopped out here.
Order filled.
Yeah, stopped out on that. That's all right. Oh man, that's crazy slam there. Stopped out and then slammed back down. Oh, that's brutal. It might just send it up higher anyway. But yeah, getting a little crazy here at all-time highs. We have the previous high here at 815. Over it, consolidating, trap some people, potentially send it lower is what I was looking at, and making that new high and then not closing a new high on the candle. So one stop there, 253, one strikeout on that trade. See if we could find something. It's tough. We're gonna see, if it keeps holding, maybe we can find some continuation pattern. But yeah, crazy swings right now. Let's watch and let's see if we get another trade. We missed this 5-minute entry here, didn't quite hit. Watch this 1-minute. I'll zoom in the time frames here a bit. See if we can get a retest here into these 1-minute levels. This thing's just pushing up such strength right now, holding the 9 on the 1-minute. Want to try and join the trend here. 5-minute candle is just pushing green, and see if they want to run through 900.
Order filled.
Tagged in long there. Stop is set accordingly at 260.5. If this 5-minute candle goes red, and then take profit is going to be over a 900 through the highs. Let's see if we get that same continuation we've had pretty much since it turned, they crossed here at 953. Just a clean breakup candle, higher volume, retest into that high. Continuation. We're just seeing such strength in this market here. Just want to join the trend. See if we can get the break here through 900 that we put in before. Still holding over these levels here at my entry at 873. Go to a 2-minute, nice 2-minute entry as well on that. Yeah, just want to see it run this wick back up. Anyone that has their stop over 900, see if we can take them out here. Let's try and line this up. Now we wait and we watch. We have our stop and take profit set accordingly. Takes any discretion out of it, which is nice. So it instantly just gets set. Predefined risk and my target 3-to-1 fits the setup as well. Pushing that high here. If we can get a close on this 1 minute here around 90s, another retest area here at 86, that would look nice. Just grinding higher. Not going to try and short this here. Tried the one short down here. Simple idea after we made a new high and consolidating, see if they could trap some people, send it lower, but that did not work, and that's okay. So it's just showing so much strength. Let's see if we can push higher. Good close there. Drop back down. Want to see it hold now 86, this level right here, and then push higher. See if maybe this 1 minute candle here can give us a spike of the highs through 900. Yeah, this 5 minute candle is just straight up running the wick back here. Pushing higher, going a little bit red there. New 5 minute candle. I'm gonna open here in about 7 seconds. Getting rejected there. Closed right on the 9. New 5 minute. Let's see if they can hold this. They came back down and retested this at 58. That would take me out, or the 20 here. Don't love the stop placement. I'm not going to touch it. See if we can get back over the 9. Need to get back over my entry here. Dip back into the close and open of the previous 5 minute candles. Looks like it might take me out here. It's close. It's
Order
trying.
filled.
Stopped out there. That's tough. We'll see if that was the bottom. Probably will be. Now I'll just go straight back up. like, man, I know we just hit that whole number there at 900. Look at that. The low is 60.25. Got me by 1 tick. Now opens a new 1 minute there. Two-minute candle close within. All right, well, that one, yeah, again, didn't work on that. Looking for continuation and them to run this wick back up, spike the 900s. Yeah, we'll see what happens. See if we get another good setup here. We're just trending higher now, so really just seeing if there's a way I can join the trend. Tried right there, got stopped. Let's see if we get another opportunity here. We have two two-minute candles here. Holding the 9, dipped into it, closed within these candle lows. Another one dipped within, closing within these candle lows potentially. If we get a close here, I'll put a buy order right there. If we can dip into these levels, try to take this long here at 73. Order at 73.25. Filled there. Low of this candle is 860.25. I'm gonna put it at least under the low here at 8. Put it 859.75. Full number of 860. Let's see if we can hold this. I really want to see it just hold this level where I got in. We're coming back into the 9 here. I'm just trying to find some continuation in this for the move higher. New 5-minute candle as well. Yeah, zoomed in on the time frame here to try and find an entry. I mean, if you look at the hourly, that's just not much. Just going higher here. Similar idea to before at that same level that we were holding, closing candles back above it and holding the 9 on the 2-minute. See if third time's the charm here. Getting a pushback higher just for it to probably get slammed back down. Oh man. Let's see here. They opened right on the 9. This is the type of candle they just need strength off of. It flips red, probably gonna get stopped out here. Need to push through that. Right in my entry, that's the line in the sand. 873. Watching, hoping we can hold this here. Been holding it since we crossed in the morning. See if it can just under 900 here, gain some energy to push that higher. You know, just have this consolidation sideways right here. See if they can break through that basically and get that push higher. There we go, a little bit of strength here coming out. About 20 seconds left on this 2-minute candle. See if we can get a good close out of this if it doesn't get slammed back down. Decent close there. Let's see if we can get some continued strength and push higher. Go to a 1 minute chart on this side here. See what we're looking at. Retesting that top trend line, get above that wick. Trying to push through the 80s here into the 90s. Closing above. Can they make a run through the highs here through a 900? I'm gonna move my stop up here under the low of this candle as we push higher. Pushing back into 900 here. This is where we want to see that continuation through. I'm gonna move my stop up under the strength of this candle here. Pushing the highs. Gonna move stop up there if we go red and break back below that, or if we can get tagged here for our take profit.
Order filled.
Nice. Hit our take profit there. We did see the strength come through towards 900, and it might just keep going, but good trade, managed risk on that, which is always most important. Something you always can be working on there. Yeah, so just getting long, even if you find your spot, the biggest thing I've noticed, even if you find yourself in trade that's not necessarily looking great or consolidating, as long as you're with the trend, more times than not, it's typically going to work out, or at least give you the greater chance, greater probability that it will work out for you. I mean, you look at the strength here on the 15 minute. So 2 red trades, 1 good trade, green on the day, so that's always good. Coming into 1041. I don't know. Let's watch. Let's see what happens here. I may just call it there. Finish green first day on the 50K DLL Express account. Coming back down here now. See, I see this and I'm thinking, okay, we spiked through 900 again, created a new high again, getting rejected again. We're going to close within this previous 15-minute candle here. I could look for a short setup at 900. And it very well, it may work, but this front side short trade, it doesn't usually give me the highest probability. If we get candle closes, making new lows, closing within, and then coming back up to it, that's going to be a higher probability trade. So what we're going to do, we're going to do custom 9:30 a.m. and we're going to lock it out. We'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Thanks for watching.